In this video, I'll show you how you can make a Shopify store completely free. All you have to do is head over to shopify.com. In here, press Start Free Trial, and it will take you to this page. Then simply select what you want to do and press Next. Just select the ones that fit for you, and then you will get to the plans. In here, you can just press Skip. I'll decide later. And then let it load. And as you can see, my Shopify store has now been created. You can see down here your trial ends in 3 days, and then I'll have to pay for another 3 months for €1. But that's basically how you can do it for free, guys. All you have to do is use their free trial, and you'll be able to use it for a couple of days completely free. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.